Dear students of Greenland Public School Sibdhara, you are welcome to the first class in mathematics of class 10th. Dear students of class 10th, now I would like to guide you in mathematics, and the first topic I would like to guide is trigonometric ratio. So topic is trigonometric ratio. Dear students, we can say what is trigonometry at first. Now what is trigonometry? We can say it is that branch of mathematics. It is that branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and the problems allied with the angles So dear students, you will understand again, it is that branch of mathematics. It is that branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and the problems allied with angles. Dear students, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. So if anyone asks you what do you mean by trigonometric ratio, you can say here the ratio between any two sides of a right angle triangle with an acute angle is called trigonometric ratio. Dear students, here there are 3 sides you see. Suppose it is 90 degree. I have taken B is equal to 90 degree. Then the angle opposite to the right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. So AC is hypotenuse. Now of AB and BC, one can be base and another can be perpendicular. That depends upon the acute angle, which acute angle we want to use over here. Dear students, if we want to use angle A as here, acute angle A, in that condition AB will be base and BC will be perpendicular. But if we use angle C as acute angle, then BC is base and AB is perpendicular. Dear students, listen to me again. This is the important thing. If you utilize angle A as acute angle, that is, if you take theta here, then AB is base and BC is perpendicular. Hypotenuse will be AC. If you take theta over here, that is at C, then BC will be base. This part will be base and this will be perpendicular. But hypotenuse will remain same because hypotenuse is that side which is opposite to 90 degree of a right angle triangle. So we can say here, if I take theta over here, then this is acute angle, so this part will be base and this part will be perpendicular. Now dear students, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. How many ratios? There are 6 trigonometric ratios, and I have just taught you the ratio between any two sides of a right angle triangle with an acute angle. Is called trigonometric ratios. It is meant there are 6 trigonometric ratios because the ratio between perpendicular to base, base to perpendicular, perpendicular to hypotenuse, hypotenuse to perpendicular, base to hypotenuse, and hypotenuse to base. That is why there are 6 trigonometric ratios. So I would like to say here, first of all, I have taken theta over here. Angle A is treated as theta. So dear student, there are 6 trigonometric ratios and they are named as sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cotangent theta. But sine theta is written as sin. Sine theta is written as sine theta. So I have written in bracket over here which is utilized. So you will see here, if I write here sine theta, what I write over here, you will see now. Sine theta, it is written like this, but whole is here. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to B. And now see, perpendicular upon hypotenuse means here what is perpendicular? BC and hypotenuse AC. Again we can say here cos theta. Cos theta is written as like this, but its whole name is cosine theta. So cosine theta is equal to, we can say, base upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse. So base is equal to AB and hypotenuse AC here. So we can say cosine theta, that is cos theta, is equal to AB upon AC. Now dear students, we can say here tan theta. It is written tan theta, its whole name is tangent theta. So we can say here tangent theta is equal to perpendicular. Tangent theta is equal to perpendicular by base, that is BC upon AB. Dear students, now we have to write about cosec theta. Cosec, its full written cosec theta in short, that's full name is cosecant theta. It is, so cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is AC upon BC. Cosec theta is equal to AC upon BC. Now we have to write sec theta. It is written sec theta in short, but its full name is secant theta. We can say secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by base, and here hypotenuse is AC, so AC upon AB. Now we can say here cot theta. What can we say? Cot theta, that is that's full name is cotangent theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC. So dear students, here again listen to me in short. Sin theta, this is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. BC by AC. And we can say here cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, that is BC upon AC, and sin cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is H upon B, and sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, that is H upon B. And now cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. By that way we can say this is base and this is perpendicular. There is a trick also, you can learn it like that. If I write over here sin theta cos theta, then we can say here sin theta. You write over here sin theta, you write here cos theta, and you write here tan theta, and you can say here sin theta. You write there is a maxim, so you can write here Pandit. You can write here Pandit Bhola Prasad Hari Hari Bol. Hari Hari Bol. You see, Pandit, this is a trick but does not go behind it, you must learn it nicely. Pandit Bhola Prasad Hari Hari Bol. You see, Pandit Bhola, that is Pandit Bhola Prasad Hari Hari Bol, you take as numerator. Pandit Bhola Prasad you take as numerator, and Hari Hari Bol as denominator. Pandit P by H, sin theta cos theta B by H, and tan theta P by B. And just opposite of sin theta happens cosec theta. Just opposite to cos theta there is a sec theta, and just opposite to tan theta there is a cot theta. So we can say sin theta is equal to P by H, cosec theta is equal to H by P, cos theta is equal to B by H, sec theta is equal to H by B, tan theta is equal to P by B, and cot theta is equal to B by P. Next topic I would like to tell you in next class. Up to here you must try to learn these all again nicely. So I would like to say here